So, okay, what about the topic today? Because you are such a good student, so I think you are aware. So,
Yeah, so today's topic is CCTV camera.
CCTV camera. So, whenever you are listening about the CCTV, so what you are getting in your mind?
Yeah, so CCTV camera means the third eye of the world.
Third eye of the
Okay.
world. So, where
Yeah.
is the eye of God save?
So it has come in the replace of the God's eyes.
Okay, of course. So, this is CCTV
Yeah.
according to you, right?
Yeah.
So, and what do you think? What is the full form of CCTV? Do you have any idea about it?
Yeah, the full form of CCTV is a closed circuit television, right?
Television. Yeah, of course it is CCTV. So, and what do you think in your in your office? Like you got the CCTV, and wherever you are living, you do have the CCTV or not?
Yeah, where I'm living, there is no CCTV camera, but in my office, there are so many CCTV cameras, and especially in the hall and the street balconies, everywhere you can find CCTV camera in a classroom also.
Oh, that's great. So it
Yeah.
means it's really good to, I think, just catch a crime. I think criminal person because you are doing job in like police department, so it is must for them, all
Mhm.
right? So this kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
things I can understand. So, and what do you think? What are the benefits of CCTV cameras according to you?
Yeah, so only the main benefit of using CCTV camera is that we can't means watch anything for 24 hours. Okay, but if there would be a CCTV camera, then I'm sure that it will watch us 24 hours, right? And
Exactly.
so in this way, anyone before doing anything, just he thinks that now if I do something, then so it might catch our footage, and after that we can be revealed, right? So that's why we shouldn't do anything. Just be aware of CCTV camera.
And what about you? If you are going in a place where is the CCTV
Hmm.
camera, so what do you think? Which kind of things you are getting in your mind? Like shopping malls, and sometimes it is
Hmm.
written always there, like you are under the eye of like CCTV. So what do you think? Which kind of feeling you are getting, and the fear, of course, the people they are getting about it? I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
so.
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. I think not only I think every person gets the same thing whenever they see any CCTV camera. Okay, just see the oh wow, see, yeah, there is a CCTV camera. So yeah, so be sure that we shouldn't do anything. Otherwise, what will happen? Okay, we can't steal anything, right? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm going to tell something about myself. When I was in my intermediate, at that point
Hmm.
of time, I can say that we also got the CCTV in my class and in my school,
Hmm.
right? So, but
Hmm.
we were very cautious about it. What's going to be happen, and the principal is watching us. So, I
Yeah.
think if we are going to do something wrong, so of course, I think that will be so bad. So that is
Hmm.
the thing, but after that we are going to be habitual for that because we can't
Hmm.
change our naturality and we can't fake always. I think just because the CCTV is there, so you have to be sincere. If you are sincere without camera, also you can be, but of course, if you are unsincere front the camera, also the people they are doing the silly things, right? I think you believe in this, whatever I said before.
Yeah, they are doing, but they can't do as they were doing before camera. Means without camera. Many times I did my duty in control room. Okay, so my duty was to watch the CCTV footage. Okay, so definitely sometimes I could have seen so many crime or wrong activities. Okay, and sometimes what happens, the people come to the CCTV camera and look, oh wow, like this, they do what is this? Okay, so that time it looks so funny.
Yeah, exactly. You can enjoy this kind of footage as well because sometimes the
Yeah,
people
no.
they aren't aware and just you can see the silly things like how silly they are. They will touch and they will go close. Oh, this is CCTV. Oh, it's so new. That is a kind of
Yeah, yeah.
thing. And so,
Most of people think that whether this CCTV camera is working or not.
Exactly. They would like to check it like hello, like they would like to go in the front of CCTV and they would like to give a like waving and the hands like hi and
Yeah, yeah,
something like that. So, but yeah, of course you can say that this is a new technology, so we would like to enjoy it.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's good as well. Because the people they are playing with machines now. This is
Mhm.
2021. I'm also
Yeah,
front of you and I'm just playing with my phone and talking to you, right? Yeah,
yeah.
it is a kind of toy for us. Always we are enjoying and we are checking the new things in phone as well.
Mm,
If you will get
mm.
a new phone, you will touch everywhere like a monkey. What is happening this? What is happening this? If I will do this like that, right?
Yeah, yeah, right.
So now I'm moving towards the another question and this of the series. So do you think like people tend to put up a false appearance when they are a part of surveillance society? It means like do you think people tend to put a false appearance when they are part of the surveillance society? Surveillance society is a kind of society where the people they are under the I think CCTV and because there are a lot more societies where they are I think putting a lot more cameras. So what do you
Mm.
think about it? Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So that time the people feel some awkward, like they can find each and everywhere the CCTV camera. That's why they don't file. So that's why they don't feel so free. Okay, so I think it is also not so good to it is also not so good putting the CCTV camera each and everywhere, because our privacy also matters a lot for us. Okay, yeah, that's all.
Yeah, exactly. Of course, privacy matters a lot, and if we are going to put the camera in our like room, that's not fine. I think so because yeah, somewhere we can put it outside, like in the veranda, and I can say that
Mhm,
but of course inside the room and in a kind of bathrooms and kitchens, that's not appropriate according to me.
yeah, yeah.
So I can understand. So, and what do you think? Do you have any kind of idea, like if you will get very, I think, good job and something right now you are also doing job, and if you will get a lot more money by the business and something like that. So, do you think you will put the camera in your home like CCTV? You would love to or not?
Actually, I had never thought that I, I will install CCTV camera in my house. Okay, but no, don't know in future what will I do. But I think I am not going to install CCTV camera in my home.
Yes, I got it.
Yeah, and if I do, then I will put the camera in only gate in main entrance.
Yes,
Okay, so
outside.
that I can watch that who is coming and who is going. Otherwise, I am not going to stop.
Yes, okay, I got it. Because you care about, like you care a lot about the privacy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's so good to hear. So, but I think I'm going to tell a funny thing. I'm not
Okay.
going to install the CCTV in my home, but I would love to write a sentence. You are in the eye of CCTV. The people, they will see where is the CCTV.
So in this way, what can you do? Just put one CCTV camera and uh, just write it on your wall that beware of CCTV camera in each and every wall.
Yeah, each and
Okay.
everywhere, in every single room. And after that, the
Yeah,
people, they will fear. Where is the CCTV? The people always, if there is a CCTV, the people, they are always looking where it is.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
I think it happened to me when I was giving the board examination. So at that point of time, the people said to me, in wherever you will go in the examination hall, you will get CCTV. So when we entered,
Okay.
we were looking where is CCTV. First thing we have to notice about it.
Okay.
And so, but I think now I'm moving towards the question is that has the uses of CCTV helped in reducing crimes? Because you are in police department, and what do you think it is helping to the department of police for the I think just in the crimes and reducing this?
Yeah, definitely. Because I think CCTV camera is the third eye of the world. That's why the CCTV camera can watch any activity that are done by the people. Okay. So in this way, and what happens? What is the mentality of our people nowadays? They think that now there is a CCTV camera, so that's why we can't do any wrong activity, right? And if there is a CCTV camera, then they will do as they wish. Okay, so in this way it is I am sure that the CCTV camera will reduce the crime. And apart from that, if suppose if the CCTV camera couldn't stop it, then I am sure that CCTV camera will help us to investigate the matter, right? That who did the crime. Okay, CCTV camera will help us to find the person, right?
Yeah, of course. I'm totally agree with you. So it happened to you because you told me, I think, you were used to watch this kind of CCTV footage. So you got any case where you got help from the CCTV and just you got the people and the criminals?
Yeah, definitely. And especially we use the CCTV camera to see that means who have come at the time. Okay, that's why I think it is very useful for that.
But Nayan, I think I have seen this kind of things in society. After having the CCTV, also the people they don't have any fear to do crime. So what do you think? What's the reason behind it?
Actually, the population of India is increasing day by day. Okay, so in this way, it is sure that the crime or the number of crime will increase automatically. Okay, but because of the CCTV camera and because of the fear of police, that's why the many of people they are not doing so, but they are intended to do, right? Yeah, that's why I'm think
Yes.
that that's why I think that it is decreasing. It helps us to reduce the crime.
Yeah, exactly. But the reason is that we do have the poverty and we do have a lot more regions due to overpopulation. Due to that, I think people they are bound to, I think, just go for the crime, right?
So take example of mall. Okay,
Mm.
so there is CCTV camera, but now the people is still stealing things, right? So think if there would be no any CCTV camera, then much how much stealing activities will happen.
They will steal a whole mall from there.
So they will steal all the mall building.
Yes,
Okay.
they will replace it and they will, misplace that building from, I think, there to their house. And I can
Yeah.
understand because the reason is that the overpopulation, poverty, and the people they are not getting the employment. That's the problem, and the biggest problem is that it is arising because the people they are dying from the hunger, and they don't have any ups, and they don't want to go forward to work like 8 to 10 hours like hard work rather than
Mm.
just going to they would like to just go with the easy things and they would like to steal why they will go forward to do 8 hours work, right? So have
Yeah.
you seen this kind of cases like where on the streets you found the people like people they are also stealing the things due to their hungerness and something like that? Because I think it is a matter about railway station. You are living near to which railway
Mhm.
station?
Tata Nagar. Tata
Tata
Nagar.
Nagar,
Yeah.
near to Jamshed Nagar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is Jamshed Nagar as well or something.
Yeah, Jamshedpur.
Jamshedpur, okay.
Yeah.
So Jamshedpur. So there also, I think in every single railway stations you can see this kind of things. There will be the people who will be like, who will be poor. I'm not saying that they are like stealing things, but after that also
Mm.
they are bound to do that. So do you think have you seen this kind of things in railway
Yeah, I
stations?
have seen, but I don't think so. Actually, I think that some of them are maybe poor, but some of them they are habituated to doing the activities. Okay, because they are strong enough. If they wish, then they can do their work easily and they can live their life easily. Okay, but they can't do because they know very well. Okay, if they will do their hard work only for 1 or 2 hours, then they can spend their whole day easily. Okay, so I think that's one kind of habit. That's why they are doing.
So, and I think right now, which kind of changes have you seen due to like CCTV cameras?
Mm.
You are in Jharkhand. So what do you think in big cities like Ranchi and you are able to see the CCTVs everywhere in Ranchi kind of thing? Ranchi is a kind of nice city, I think so.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ranchi, Jamshedpur, Dhanbad, Bokaro. I think there are three. there are a few cities in Jharkhand. So I think all are very beautiful. And actually, because of the CCTV camera, I think nowadays each and every shop you can find CCTV camera, and the government is trying to install the CCTV camera in chalk so that they can watch their they can watch people's activities easily. Okay, so these are the things, and we
Yes,
can
I
see
got it.
this type of changing in our world, and I think it is still changing. I don't
Mm.
know that how much will it change.
Yeah, we can say that rather than saying changing, you can say that we can see this kind of changement. We can see this kind of change, or we can see this kind of changement in our society and world, right? Because the
Okay.
people, they are going to be more aware, and they would like to care a lot. Safety and security matters a lot whenever we are
Mm,
going upward from the like food and shelter and the
mm.
clothes, and the I think after that the comes the thing is all about the safety and security. So the CTCV is the one of the most important thing for the security and safety, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
right.
of course, but you told the reason because the population is also the reason. Due to the population is increasing day by day, the cases are also increasing. But due to this kind of cameras, it is reducing. But due to population, it is increasing. So we are in the last of this conversation. So thank you so much, and many many thanks to you for joining me. And bye bye, and have a nice day. Bye.
Okay.